Guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the new updates that we have on IspMan. First of all, I'll start with the sharing and also migration. What I mean by migration is when, for example, you have an active session on a laptop and you'd like to shift from the laptop to the phone. Now it's possible on IspMan. So first of all, you go to the device that is online, for example this one. Then as you can see, this device is online. Now we have this option. So when you click here, once enabled, you have two modes. So we have the sharing one and the migration one. So for the sharing one is when you have a package that allows more than one device. It can be 2 devices, 3 devices. Once you activate this, so if you buy a package on one device, so to link to share the same session to the second device, you will just now use the reference reference login, for example, to log in. And when it comes to migration is when you want to shift from one device to another. So the moment you activate it, so on the second device, the moment you put the payment reference login, it will kill the first session. Now you start using the second device. It can be from the phone to the laptop or from the laptop to the phone. It's up to you. Then after you have chosen, you can just select save payments, login settings. So another thing before you move on, you will also go to settings, then customize branding. Then come down here, you make sure it is enabled. Then you select according to the one you want. Then you click save. Also, we have updates on PPPoEs, PPPoEs. So you just click to PPPoEs, so you can be able to perform some actions. You just go here to back actions. Then here, for example, you can see these two are deactivated. If you want to activate them, you just click, you select both of them. Then they say activate. You see now, once I confirm, they will be activated. If I confirm, you see now they all activated. So there are so many actions you can do with PPPoE. You can assign a package. For example, here you can assign any package to any customer. You can assign a device. For example, you want to change a customer from this microchip to another, you just come here, you select the device, for example. You can reset the connection. So this will remove all the microchip on all microchips, so they can re-authenticate again. Then we have activate, deactivate, or delete. Now, for example, you are in a situation where there is a power outage, so you can be able actually to compensate your client. And in order to do so, you just click here. We have days and weeks, so it's up to you to choose. Then let's say, as you can see now, this is the expiry date for every PPPoE, for the 2 PPPoEs customer. So let's say if I would like to add 10 more days, if I would like to add 10 more days, for example, once I confirm, you see the expiry date will change. Let me confirm. Then you see now the expiry date is now updated. Then also, if you have you'd like to use static, it's possible also on IspMan. You just go to settings, then you just scroll a bit. You see PPPoE network, so you can just click here. Then you just add the network or the IP range that you'd like for your static clients. Once it's done, you just click update. Then the moment you go to PPPoEs, you see they'll get a static IP like this. Then you can be able to configure your PPPoE clients. Also, when your PPPoE client has an active session or a static, so there is this situation. We also have a feature. For example, you have a customer who would like to pay for 2 devices but use only 1 account, and that is very possible on IspMan. So what you just have to do, you click here on max connection. So it depends now. For example, if a client has 4 devices, so what you can do, you can just change this, for example, 4 devices. So, and this, for you have this split connection bandwidth. So when it is disabled, so if the package, the PPPoE package is set to, let's say, 20 Mbps, so that means all the 4 devices will get 10 Mbps. But once this 20 Mbps, once this is enabled, so that means the bandwidth, the 20 Mbps will be shared among the 4 connection, because it's supposed to share according to the number of connection, and here we have 4, so that means 20 Mbps will be divided by 4, so that means every device will now get 5 Mbps. And then once you're done, you just click save. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below so you don't miss the next one.